Board makes our lives easier as in the finance function, especially to build new forecasts, to make sure we have a unified data reporting for everybody and a central repository to build and use our data with a common language. All this data is helping us drive the business. I'm Etienne Cos. I work for Groupe SEB. I'm head of technology for the finance transformation department.
My name is Mia Eidkotter. I'm working with Board since 3.5 years. So basically every day when I'm standing up, I'm starting with Board, and when I end up the day, I'm ending with Board.
Groupe SEB mission is to make life easier for consumers around the world. So it goes through a lot of different categories of products. For the kitchen, for the house.
If you look more on the company side, it's really a big group. We are very international.
Before we started with Board, we were doing basically our budget and forecast in basically the same manner as we were consolidated actual figures. And we also had to address the fact that we want more and more forecasts, not just 2 or 3 per year, but almost reforecasting every month. And this is making the traditional method not usable. We're in a situation where the company is always changing. We have new business models appearing. We are relying a lot on our performance systems to pilot the group. We had a very good example with transportation costs. Transportation costs were mostly flat. All of a sudden, we get the container to $10,000 instead of $1,000. And you have basically 1 week to deliver the calculation to everybody in the group. Maybe it's a bit short to start a new model. Good thing we had integrated this in our model, and at the end we had a nice simulation tool, including transportation costs that didn't exist 1 week before. So it was a good example of how flexibility in the platform and the model was answering a really important planning question. A lot of people are actually using the data at the end, probably more than 2,000 or 3,000. My next idea is to also work on the carbon footprint of the group using Board. Our supply chain colleagues are starting a project for S&OP management, and so we are starting to expand the use of the platform.
And at the end, why do we have these applications? At the end, it's to help to report a business, to monitor a business, to be more efficient. And now there are a lot of different departments. They see the advantage of Board, and now they are, I would say, they jump on the same train.